We are number one tech influencers community, so we enjoy every event here in Bulgaria and around Eastern Europe. We like to help to introduce HackConf to our audience and to present our magazine everybody. We're here to join the community of HackConf. They are great people, great organizers, so we love being here.
Hi, my name's Eddie and I'm here at HackConf 2019 in Sofia, Bulgaria. And it's been an amazing day. It's still early on, but a wonderful day. People have been so welcoming, all keen to talk and share what they've learned, what they want to learn this weekend. The venue is massive. It's really spacious. It's really clean. So it's been a really good event. Everyone's been really friendly. They've really enjoyed the event. And they've made a real big effort to have gluten-free snacks, to cater for everyone's needs. I highly recommend coming to this conference. We've still got another day and a half to go. We're the Dashboard Hub team are really excited to talk to more people, see how it's gone, and hear how everyone's enjoyed the event. Hi, my name's Eddie, and I'm here at HackConf 2019 in Sofia, Bulgaria. And I'm here at the DevStyle stand, and they asked me a really great question. But before we get into that, I actually want to know more about DevStyle. So could you explain, what DevStyle is?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you for this shout out. My name is Atanas Neychev and I'm one of the editors. We are web and print media about the IT industry in Bulgaria. We make questionnaires about everything related to the software developers, their lifestyle, their companies, and so much more. Also, we organize big conferences here in the National Palace of Culture. So this is what it is.
No, that's great. I'll get a close-up on that. And this is in Bulgarian. However, I understand there is an English version on the digital version online.
Yeah, absolutely.
But what I've really noticed about this conference is that it is really welcoming. And everyone's English is, including yours, is freaking amazing.
Oh, thank you.
How have you learned English? Is it because of your editing or movies?
Learning, university maybe. Okay. And I like to write. I'm a philology student. I like languages and many other things related to the humanities and arts, and maybe that's why I learn it.
So what brings you to HackConf? To get more publicity on the magazine? I'm interested to know what brings you there, what brings DevStyle to HackConf?
So we are number one tech influencers community, so we mostly enjoy every event here in Bulgaria and around Eastern Europe, and we like to help to introduce HackConf to our audience and to present our magazine. Everybody on our improvised tent can win for free both our first two issues. So we're here to join the community of HackConf. They are great people, great organizers, so we love being here.
Is it your first time to HackConf?
No, as a student, I was here in 2015 and it was great. One of my best friends was a volunteer here. This is my second time as an editor of DevStyleR.
That's great, wow. And the print quality is amazing. I really like this.
Thank you.
I think it's really good.
So I'm comfortable on the other side. I'm asking the question. So,
do it.
What do you do?
So I'm a software engineer and I'm really passionate about open source and tech events, especially inclusive tech events. I've been to some tech events that I will not go to again, and the ones that I go to now, I usually go every year. So FOSDEM, web engineering, we go every year, the last 5, 6, 7, I don't know how many years we go. It's my first time to HackConf and I'm loving it. I'm loving the building, I'm loving the people, everyone speaks amazing English. We felt so welcome here that the Dashboard Hub team are having a great time, and it helps me record great videos with great people for my YouTube channel, and then tell people about Dashboard Hub, which is my open source startup, and then we do a lot of remote working as well. So actually not a lot, it's 100% remote, there's not a lot, it's all remote. So we're just really enjoying it. Halfway through the first day, I'm so glad it's only like halfway through, because I know it's going to go fast, and we're having so much fun already, meeting so many awesome people. I highly recommend coming to HackConf 2020.
My second question was, how did you start your YouTube channel? It was very interesting for a software engineer.
I started it about just over a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago almost now. It's because people kept asking me a lot of questions about, Eddie, you go to this event, what's it like? And I'd repeat myself on private message on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook all the time. I thought, you know what? I love going to these events. why don't I just take a camera with me? And I did start off with using my phone. I did start off with using one camera. It's gone to 2 cameras, to 3 cameras, and the 4th's arriving this week. So I need more and more people to come help me at events. So it's been really good, and I've had such good feedback from people I've spoken to, people who have watched the videos on YouTube. I get great comments, and it opens so many doors. I actually really believe now, and I recommend to every software engineer or every person in tech, be it they're an editor, be it they're a coder, be it a tester, doesn't matter what you are, you're in tech. And I recommend to all of them, not only do open source, and you don't have to be a coder for open source, that's another discussion, but open source is for everybody. You've got documentation, translation, it's so much. And it's a great way of being social media, social coding, and then also doing videos, even if they're not long form content, more like 30 seconds. I think people should do that because you get to see their perspective. We're both here at HackConf. If you recorded a 1-minute video about it and I did the same, they'd be different. Yours is a different perspective, and I think that's really important for people to share their perspective of conferences. And I really encourage everyone to do that. And a big shout out to Amina, who started coding 1 year ago. I met her 1 year ago, literally almost exactly 1 year ago, the 1st of October. I mentioned Hacktoberfest to her, and she had just started getting into tech. And by the 4th day of October, of Hacktoberfest, she had completed Hacktoberfest and she had just started coding. And I mentioned to her to do a YouTube channel. She said on the 1st of October she was going to do it, and she's already recorded 4 YouTube videos already, and she's only 1 year into coding, right? So I believe tech, open source, YouTube is for everybody, and people should do it and share their journey. And I guarantee you, your first video will be shit. Because my first 20 videos, 50 videos weren't very good. But the only way to get better is to just do it and you'll get better. So I procrastinated for like 5 years about doing YouTube. And my biggest regret in life is not doing it now. Would have been 6.5 years ago doing it. So if you're watching, start your own YouTube channel and share it. It will open so many doors. There's so many companies from open source on GitHub, from my YouTube channel, just sending me messages saying, can you come to our event? Because when I interview people at events, it's not just about how's the food, how's the weather. It's more about what have you learned today. Let's talk about Angular, let's talk about React, DevOps, whatever it is. And also, there's more technical conversation around tech, and I think it's really good. And I can talk about this for ages, so I can see my wife's arm getting quite tired with the gimbal. It's probably like drooping down slowly, but it's quite fun. But that's a really awesome question, really. I haven't got a good video of me describing that, so this is probably the best one. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this interview and for the strange cooperation.
Perfect.
Here.
Thank you. Awesome, it was really good.